What you doing, Lucy? What you doing? You having some fun?
See, Nana made me a toy.
Watch out, Big Bird. Lucy's kicking. She'll kick you right in the face. She's having a good old time. Try again, Lou. You can get it. Watch out. What do you think about that? Try again. She's gonna start to get where she'll kick it every time. Just like she figured out how to take her sock off. Come on.
Where is it? Where's your
Hmm.
toy, Lou? Where's your toy? Over here. Can you see it? Look.
I wish I would have caught her a second ago when
Can
she
you
was
see it?
laughing.
Hey, get it.
Kick.
Get it.
Show her. Kick it with her foot. Show her again.
Hand over.
And kick. Oh, Lucy.
That was cool.
Okay, your turn, Lou.
Cool.
Your turn. There you go. Find it.
She thinks you're...
Oh!
Look at the smile.
Oh! What do you think about that?
Hey, you're a good kicker. You're a good kicker.